Good day everyone. In this video, I will be showing you how to update the chart data in Google Docs. This tutorial will be a very straightforward, quick, and really easy to follow, so anyone should be able to do this if you watch carefully. Now, do not worry if this is your first time using Google Docs, you're a beginner, or in general is just not familiar with the whole interface of Google Docs, as I will be here to guide you and show you the step-by-step process on how you can do this thing. Now, as you can see, here in my Google Docs file, I have a sample paragraph with a header and a footer, or even an image which I already added a text wrapping to in my Google Docs file. If you are wondering on how to do text wrapping, header, and footer, please be sure to check out our dedicated playlist compiling all the Google Docs tutorial on our YouTube channel. Now, before proceeding with anything else, I want you to make sure that the Google Chrome you are using is currently up to date, and this is so that we can ensure that we will not encounter any errors along the process. Now, here we have our chart that we have created on our previous video, and now I would like to update the data on my chart. And how do we do that? Actually, to update our data, we will get out of Google Docs and rather focus on Google Sheets. Now, as you can see on the upper right corner of our chart, it says it's a linked chart. Now, to edit our data, I want you to click on the three horizontal dots located beside the word link chart. Click on it once, and as you can see, we have the option to unlink and open source. Click on the open source, which will open a new tab and displays the data presented in our Google Sheets. From here, we can change the data that is stated in our charts. Now, let's say for example, I want the period 1 on theme 1 to be 30. I would just erase this using my backspace on keyboard, and let's say for example, I want to update it to 30. And as you can see, as I click on a different cell, it updates the data on theme 1 on period 1. Let's say for example, I want the period 2 to only be 60. Backspace and press 60. As I click on a different cell, it updates the period 2 data. Theme 4 period 1 to be 40. As you can see, it updates the theme 4 data right over here. And as simple as that, we can update our data on Google Sheets. However, as I go back on our Google Docs, the data here is still not updated. To update the data on our linked Google Sheets, all I have to do is to press update right over here on the screen. Click on it once, wait for it, and now as you can see, we have updated the data on our Google Docs as well. As simple as that, we can quickly update the data from Google Sheets to Google Docs. If you learned something in this video, please consider subscribing and dropping a like. From here, I'll see you guys next time, and thank you for watching.